Hello viewers, this is Jubi Saikia and you're watching My News Any. RJD patron Lalu Prasad Yadav today expelled his elder son Tej Prasad Yadav from the party for 6 years. Here we are bringing you the full details. Lalu Yadav expels Tej Pratap for misconduct. Tej Pratap claims Facebook post was hacked. Tejasvi urges separation of personal and political life. JDU alleges RJD move is election eyewash. Tej Pratap plans Mahua comeback in elections. Yes viewers, Rashtriya Janata Dal patron Lalu Prasad Yadav today expelled his elder son Tej Pratap Yadav from the party for 6 years, citing his irresponsible conduct and deviation from the family's values and public decorum. This came a day after a purported post by Tej Pratap on Facebook which spoke of his long-standing relationship with Anushka Yadav, saying that they have been in love and in a relationship for the past 12 years. However, he later claimed that his Facebook account was hacked and the photos edited to defame him and his family. Announcing the move in a social media post, the former Bihar Chief Minister stated that ignoring moral values in personal life weakens the party's collective struggle for social justice, adding that the conduct of Tej Pratap was not in line with family values or tradition. Ignoring moral values in personal life weakens our collective struggle for social justice. The activities, public conduct and irresponsible behavior of the eldest son are not in accordance with our family values and traditions. Therefore, due to above circumstances, I am removing him from the party and family. From now on, he will not have any kind of role in the party and the family. He is expelled for the party for 6 years, Lalu Yadav said in a post written in Hindi. He is capable of differentiating between the good and bad and the metrics and demetrics of his personal life. Whoever will have relation with him should have take a decision as part of their own discretion. I always been an advocate of public shame in public life. The obedient members of the family have adopted and followed this idea in public life. Thank you, he added. Lalu Yadav's younger son and Tej Pratap's younger brother Tejasvi Yadav shared his thoughts on the development while speaking to the media in Patna today and stated that according to him, one should keep their political and personal lives separate. As far as I am concerned, I neither like nor tolerate like this. Personal life should be separate. He is the elder son and has the right to take his own decisions. But Lalu ji has also made his thoughts clear through a tweet. He did what he thought was right. I came to know about this only through the media, Tejasvi Yadav stated. Meanwhile, Nitish Kumar Janata Dal United hit out at the Lalu Prasad Yadav, calling his move an eyewash by the RJD patron in the wake of the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections. Laluji is misleading. Why did he consistent not awake when the Lalu family committed a heinous sin against Aishwarya, who is Tej Pratap Yadav's former wife? This is pure immorality. He is misleading the people at the time of the election, and after the polls, Tej Pratap will be taken back into the party, JDU national spokesperson Rajiv Ranjan have stated. Notably, Tej Pratap's divorce case with Aishwarya Rai remains stuck in the court. His marriage to Rai, granddaughter of ex-Bihar CM Darogya Rai, collapsed within months, with Aishwarya accusing her husband and in-laws of throwing her out. Aishwarya's father Chandrika Roy himself, a former minister, quit the RJD in protest, pledging to fight the battle politically and legally. The purported post gathered a lot of attention on the social media platform. While many people praised Tej Pratap's courage, some netizens were curious to know whether this relationship will now lead to marriage. In a Hindi clarification, Shared shortly after the viral post, Tej Pratap wrote, "My social media platforms have been hacked and my posts are being edited to harass and defame me and my family. I appeal to all my well-wishers and followers to stay alert and not pay attention to any rumors." What RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav have stated.
देखिए, आप एक बात स्पष्ट है, ठीक है ना, जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, हमें ये सब चीज़ें ना तो अच्छा लगता है ना बर्दाश्त हम करते हैं। दूसरी बात, हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं, बिहार के प्रति हम समर्पित हैं और हम जनता के दुख सुख में हम भाग ले रहे हैं, जनता के मुद्दे को उठा रहे हैं। हम नेता विरोधी दल हैं। जहाँ तक मेरे बड़े भाई की बात है, राजनीतिक जीवन में निजी जीवन भी अलग होता है, तो निजी जीवन के फैसले और निर्णय, क्योंकि वो अडल्ट हैं, बड़े हैं, उनको अधिकार है, वो अपना निर्णय, क्या उनका सही होगा, क्या नुकसान होगा, ये अपना निर्णय वो खुद लें। और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी दल के नेता हैं, उन्होंने अपने ट्वीट के माध्यम से स्पष्ट कर दिया है, जो उनकी भावनाएं थी उन्होंने स्पष्ट कर दिया है। तो अब जो है राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने कहा है और हमने अपनी भावनाओं को भी आप लोगों के सामने रखा है, वो निर्णय लें, क्या उनके लिए सही है, क्या गलत है, लेकिन हम ऐसी चीज़ों को पसंद नहीं करते हैं और ना बर्दाश्त हम कर सकते हैं। ये बात जो है लोगों को समझाना चाहिए। अब वो क्या अपने निजी जीवन में कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये किसी से पूछ के तो नहीं करता है लोग, तो आप लोगों के ही माध्यम से भाई हमको जो है मीडिया में जानकारी मिली।
Yes, viewers, it needs to mention that in the upcoming Bihar Assembly election, Tej Pratap Yadav is preparing to contest from the Mahua seat in Vaishali district this year, leaving the Hasanpur seat in Samastipur. It may be noted that he won the Mahua seat in 2015 and now he is strategizing a return to the same constituency once again. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.